we are pleased to show you the 2008 Chevy Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, traction control, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, multi-zone climate control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.